What's going on, guys? Today's video is sponsored by Wind Booster. Now, if you guys haven't seen my video on this device, it's an electronic throttle controller, plugs into your throttle pedal, and gives you the option to change between drive modes, from economy mode to normal mode, all the way up to Sport Plus, race mode, and even drag mode. I've installed this on my 2010 Toyota Tundra and seen a huge difference on eco mode with fuel economy, and drag mode absolutely rips the rear tires off of that truck now. So if you guys want to get your Wind Booster throttle controller, check the link down in the description. Use the promo code Don Squally and get 20% off your order. I'd highly recommend this. So check them out, grab one for yourself. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Just a beauty day out at the lake here. The Altima Civic sitting on them SER wheels, looking tight. But today we're gonna be in the Tundra. So if you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be going through the Wind Booster app. Again, if you guys want to grab this product, I got it installed on the Tundra and it's helped a lot with fuel economy, as well as power delivery and throttle control. It really is a great product. Start this thing up here. So for those of you guys who haven't seen my previous video on this product, this is the Wind Booster Throttle Controller GT here. And what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm just going to be demonstrating how the app works with this product. If you guys want to get one for yourself, follow the link in the description and use promo code Don Squally and get 20% off of your order. But basically what we're going to be doing in today's video is checking out the Wind Booster app here. So first thing you're going to want to do, I tried to scan the barcode on the box here, wasn't getting any luck, but the last 4 digits on the box here, 0037, that's going to be what you punch in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now, and that should connect our Bluetooth. And there you can see we've got the Camus. I'm going to assume we're going to go ahead and connect to that. And now you can see down here, I don't know, it's flickering a little bit, but on the far left here, that's the Bluetooth symbol, basically saying that we are connected to the app. So as you can see, I'm on econo mode right now, level number 5 here. Now we can change that from 0 all the way up to 9. I like mine at 5 just because I find that it gives you the best fuel economy. And we also have anti-slip, which is going to work great in snow and ice. That's going to limit the throttle control and allow the vehicle to accelerate without spinning the tires, which I think is going to be great in the wintertime. Then next up, we have valet mode. Now, I've demonstrated valet mode on my initial video of this product, and I got to say, the thing will not rev past like 3,000 RPMs, and it struggles to go past like 40 miles an hour, which is great if you're going to be giving your vehicle to somebody that you don't trust. Next up, we've got auto mode. So this is basically just going to select for you which mode that it thinks is going to be best for your style of driving. Then we have drag mode. Now, if you guys have seen my video on this Wind Booster product here, you'll know that drag mode's pretty crazy. Now, I don't think... yeah, there's no ability to adjust the actual levels of drag mode. It's just pretty much, you know, full out. That's the most aggressive acceleration that you can get on this app. Then we got race mode. Again, 9 different levels in race mode. I've got mine set to 9. Now, when I'm not driving this car in econo mode, I like Sport Plus mode on level 9. It's a nice mix between the acceleration you would get from drag or race mode, just not quite as aggressive. And then we have sport mode. Again, you have 9 different levels on sport mode to choose from here. And then we have normal mode, and that's just basically going to be your stock mode. So I'm going to put this back to economy mode because that's where I like to be on this truck. We're going to check out a few other different options. That's obviously your home screen. You have some settings. You can change your language. You can change the interface style from grid, marquee, or Ferris wheel mode. You can also update your hardware, restart the hardware. You can lock your car out. As you can see, you can set a password, and then you can choose between automatic transmission, and I'm assuming if we turn this off, that would be for a manual transmission. And then your boot setting, you can turn the memory on or off, and we're going to keep our memory on because I want this app to retain the same settings each time that I use it. So that's basically a rundown of the Wind Booster app. Now for me, I like just using the buttons on the actual controller itself. As you can see, there's two different buttons that allows you to change between modes and then the different levels between the modes. But for those of you guys who like to have your phone set up, displaying different gauges and stuff like that, you're able to change all of the settings through the app here. That's pretty much it for today's video. Now, again, if you guys want to grab one of these, use promo code Don Squally using the link down in the description. I also have the link for the 13-in-1 gauge pods. I'll leave a link for the video as well as the product down in the description. Don Squally, promo code, you're getting 20% off either of those products. And I'm hoping to work with this company, Camus, and hopefully we can bring some more useful products to you guys in the near future. But that's pretty much it for today's video, something nice and quick. I think next week we're going to do an update on the G because for those of you guys who saw my live stream where we're changing the coil packs, well, that didn't work. Let's just say that. So stay tuned for that one. As always, I want to say thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.